So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will be explaining this problem, minimum changes to make a alternating binary string. So in this video first we will discuss the problem and then we will build our approach and then I will code it. Okay, so let's read the problem. So basically the problem is asking me that I have been given a string and now I have to make it alternating. Okay, so alternating using the minimum number of steps. So what a step can be, that I can make any like any character 0 or 1. Okay, so let's build our approach basically. So suppose I have been given the string 0100. So what can be the if so basically it is a string of 4 characters. Okay, so what can be the alternating possibilities, what can be the two possible cases when the entire string is alternating? Okay, so it's very easy. It can be alternating like this 1010, or it can be alternating like this 0101. So these two are the only cases. So now there is only one step remaining. So basically I have to check these two cases. So how will I find the minimum number of operations? So what I have to do, that suppose if I had to convert my this string into this string. Okay, so if I had to convert my this string into this string, तब मैं क्या करता, what would I have done? I would have checked that okay, the first character is matching, not matching. Then I will have to take one step to make this character of 0 to 1. The second character is also not matching. Then I will have to make another operation. The third character is also not matching. It is 1 and it is 0. So I will have to change this character. So there will be one more step. The fourth character is matching. So I don't need to do any operation. Okay, so so I will, if I had to make this into this, I would have to do 3 steps. Okay, 3 operations. Now if I had to convert this to this, then what would I have to do? So I will go on to do the same step. I will match it. Okay, so my first character is matching, no problem, it is very well and good. Second character is also matching, no problem. Third character is also matching, no problem. Fourth character, it's not matching, so I'll have to make one more step. Okay, so I hope this problem will be clear. You have to just divide it into 2 parts and then you have to see like how many characters are matching. Like if there is one, then there should be one in the like possible alternating case. So now let's code it. So coding is also pretty simple. So let's say make 2 variables. Just a second. Okay, I just let me increase the font. Okay, it's not possible here, but I think it will still be visible to you. So let's make 2 variables. Int x is equal to 0 and int y is equal to 0. These will be the number of operations for both these two cases. So now let's make a for loop. For int I is equal to 0, I less than s dot size, I plus plus. Cool. Okay. Now what I have to do, I will test for case 1. Okay. So for in case 1, what is happening? At all the even indexes, this is index number 0 and this is also index number 2. So all the even indexes, there should be 1. So if in my original string there is not, 1 doesn't exist at these even indexes, then I will have to make an operation, and vice versa for the odd places. So at odd places there should be 0. If there is not 0 in my original string, I will have to increase this operation. Okay, so now let's do this. So if I percent 2 I mod 2 is equal to 0, that is basically if the index is even, and at that position, and at that position my si equals to 1, then what I will have to do, I will have to increase my uh, number of operations. Okay, else if I percent 2 just a second, I percent 2 is equal to 1. So if the index is odd, okay, if the index is odd and the character at odd position is what, 0. Okay, so in my first case, at odd position there should have been 1, but if my string, that given string has 0, then also I will have to increase my number of operations. So this is the first case. For second case, what will be happening? I will just now code for the second case. For second case, it will be the same, but it will just be alternating, just one case different. So in second case, at all even indexes, there should be what? There should be a 0, and at all odd positions there should be 1. So at all even positions there should be 0. Okay, there should be 0, and if like 0 is just a second, at all even positions there should be 0. Okay, and at all odd positions there should be 1. So if this case is not satisfying, then I will be incrementing my second operations index. Okay, so that's the problem. So now I have to return what? Return the minimum of these two variables, x comma y. So now let's test it with against our used test cases. 102 correct. Now let's submit it. It's accepted. Okay, so it's a pretty easy problem. Just you have to develop these two cases. So if you have understood this problem, then please subscribe this channel. Thanks and have a nice day.